40 to 50 mile winds in Panama City. There is chairs in the kiddie pool and blown over everywhere. Like a sign got blown down over there. That tent way over there, it used to be a bright blue tent and it was standing up, and now it's completely buried in the sand. There's trash in the pool and floats are getting blown everywhere. We came to Panama City at the worst possible time. Like, I'm not even joking. Yep, it's starting to rain hard now. Just a little bit. And it's like freezing outside too. So, yep. My phone screen is completely wet.